Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows version and recent updates so you know the environment. Once done, open Event Viewer and filter for Service Control Manager events, look for ID 7000-7009 and record the exact error text. Make sure you run an elevated command prompt. This gives you permission to query and change services. Also inspect service dependencies and the service account used, because many failures come from permission or dependency mismatches. This sets up the corrective steps that follow. Now you diagnose the service. Use SCQC to view its configuration and SCQueryX to check its state and PID. This tells you whether the binary path or permissions are wrong. If the account fails, reset its password or switch to local system to test. Permissions often cause start failures. If corrupt files appear, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage. These repair system files that services rely on. Once repaired, attempt to start the service and monitor Event Viewer for new entries. Finish by setting the service startup type appropriately. Automatic, delayed, helps when dependencies load slowly. Once done, start the service and verify operation. Make sure dependent services are running in the correct order. If problems persist, perform a clean boot or safe mode test to rule out third-party interference. And one key troubleshooting tip: capture the full event log entry and enable detailed logging for the service. This extra context often reveals the root cause when standard checks don't.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.